Welcome to the very first video of MAKB Tech, your ultimate destination for everything related to programming, technology, and innovation. At MAKB Tech, we bring you in-depth articles, comprehensive courses, and engaging discussions that will expand your knowledge and spark your creativity. From programming languages and web development to machine learning and quantum computing, we've got you covered. Our dedicated team of tech experts and enthusiasts is passionate about sharing their knowledge and experience with you. On our website, MAKB183.com, you'll find a treasure trove of written content, meticulously curated articles, and detailed guides. It's your go-to resource for practical insights and real-world examples that make complex technologies easy to understand. Join our vibrant community and connect with like-minded individuals. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and engage in discussions that foster learning and collaboration. Stay tuned for our upcoming courses, designed to enhance your skills and keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn Python or an advanced learner diving into machine learning and quantum computing, we have something for everyone. Stay updated with the latest in tech by following us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Be part of our growing community and never miss out on our updates and exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Visit MAKB183.com today for more in-depth articles and guides. And for more engaging videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Welcome aboard! See you in the next video.